Have you ever dreamed of a garden that's consistently full of color, from early spring right into late fall, or even has interest throughout the winter? That's the dream of continuous blooms, and today I'm going to show you how to achieve it and proven perennial combinations that truly deliver. Creating a garden that's always putting on a show isn't magic, it's strategic planning. It's all about choosing the right plants that complement each other across all seasons, ensuring there's always something beautiful to see, both in bloom and in foliage. Let's dive in and transform your garden into a non-stop color spectacle. Before we dive into our specific combinations, let's understand the fundamental principles for achieving that long-term continuous bloom and visual appeal. The core is overlapping blooms. We need a consistent relay of plants that flower sequentially spring, summer, and fall, with some offering strong structural or foliage interest well into the winter. Think beyond just color. Think about height, form, and texture. Consider the plant's height, their overall form, and the texture of their foliage or in flowers. Layering these elements creates depth, visual interest, and ensures every plant has its moment to shine. Also, decide on your aesthetic. Do you want dramatic impact with bold, contrasting colors like vibrant purples or sunny yellows, or a more tranquil feel with harmonious tones such as different blues or soft pinks? And don't forget that foliage color and texture can be just as impactful as flower color. Always think of sun and soil requirements. This is a non-negotiable for success. All plants within a combination must share similar needs for sunlight exposure and soil conditions. This ensures all components of your combination thrive together. With these principles in mind, let's explore some of my favorite proven combinations that are designed for a truly endless show. This combination thrives in full sun and well-drained, moderately fertile garden soil. It's designed for continuous waves of vibrant color, diverse forms, and engaging textures from spring through fall, with structural interest in the winter. We start with early to mid-blooming daffodils and tulips. For daffodils, think of a bright yellow trumpets like tete-a-tete. And for tulips, you could use elegant cream and green spring green, or a deep purple queen of night. Their explosive color is the first sign of life. At ground level, introduce Arboreata, also known as rock cress. This low-growing, mat-forming evergreen perennial offers a dense carpet of tiny purple, pink, or blue flowers that will perfectly overlap with your bulbs. Its compact foliage provides evergreen interest year-round, beautifully covering the fading bulb foliage. As those early bulbs fade, allium takes center stage. Varieties like Globe Master for massive purple spheres or Mount Everest for elegant white globes are magnificent choices. These are stately, upright plants with bold, strap-like foliage and a magnificent, intricate globe-like flowers that add significant height and drama. We pair these with peonies. Carl Rosenfield, for example, will give you large, fragrant red blooms. Peonies offer lush, rounded form with bold green foliage, creating a rich backdrop even after their dramatic flowers are gone. This is where the stage truly lights up. Echinacea or coneflower comes in shades of purple, pink, or white. Think of vibrant choices like purple for deep, rich purple, or white swan for crisp, elegant white petals. These have an upright, sturdy form with bold, daisy-like flowers. Paired alongside Rudbeckia, the black-eyed Susan brings a burst of golden yellow with its cheerful, daisy-like form, rough textured leaves, creating vibrant contrast. For vertical interest and a softer texture, Salvia offers upright, spiky flower wands in shades of blue or purple. Its airy form perfectly complements the broader flowers. But the beauty doesn't stop when the flowers do. Looking towards winter, you'll find dried seed heads of both Echinacea and Rudbeckia offering a strong, dark form and textural interest. That evergreen mat of Arboreata beautifully maintains ground level greenery, and the dried seed heads of allium stand tall, giving you wonderful architectural definition through the colder months. If you're finding these tips helpful, go ahead and hit that like button. And for even more gardening advice and inspiration, make sure to subscribe. We've got tons of videos to help your garden thrive. This combination thrives in partial shade and needs consistently moist, rich, well-drained soil. It focuses on grace, varied textures, and subtle color shifts from early spring into late autumn, with strong winter foliage interest. We begin with Helleborus orientis, or Lenten rose. Our double Ellen purple variety is excellent, providing invaluable early blooms in rich shades of purple. Its leathery, evergreen foliage forms a distinct, mounding clump, providing continuous interest throughout all of the winter months. Astilbes enter the scene with their feathery plumes in various shades. Their plumes add soft, airy texture and vertical accents, blooming sequentially depending on the variety. Next to them, hostas are an undisputed queen of shade foliage. Choose varieties with diverse leaf colors like Sagae or August Moon for gold and green variegations. Bucra, or coral bells, is a foliage star. Think of Palace purple for deep burgundy foliage, or forever red for a luminous scarlet. Their mounding form and incredibly varied leaf colors, ranging from amber to deep purple, offer continuous visual appeal. In late summer, Ligularia, the rocket, rises with its dramatic, towering spikes of bright yellow flowers, providing a bold and striking finish to the season's blooms. The bold, dried stalks of Ligularia, the rocket, offer strong, upright architectural interest, and the clean, bold forms of dormant hostas and trimmed estivals can still define the bed until new growth emerges. Need help planting the perfect continuous bloom? Come visit us at Wildwood Outdoor Living. Our garden experts are here to help you choose the right plant pairings for your space and timing. See the plants up close, ask questions, and get personalized advice to bring your vision to life. This combination is robust, designed for full sun and well-draining soil. It offers not only continual blooms, but also strong structural and foliage interest that lasts well beyond the first hard frost, ideal for a prominent garden border. We'll start with lavender. Their aromatic, silvery green foliage forms a beautiful mounding presence from early spring through fall, offering delightful multi-season interest. For a continuous haze of soft color, Nepeta, Walker's Low, with its aromatic, fine-textured, silvery foliage, creates a beautiful mounding presence. It profuse clusters of lavender blue flowers bloom non-stop until frost. Add the consistent bloom of Coreopsis with its airy, delicate, yellow, daisy-like flowers on fine textured foliage, which will bloom for a long period. Prosmia, Lucifer, takes a commanding role. Its strong, upright, sword-like foliage supports vibrant, spiky wands of fiery red flowers from midsummer into fall, providing invaluable vertical structure and intense color as autumn progresses. And for a grand finale of late-season pollinators and vivid color, our Aster Michaelmas Daisy and Aster Princess are absolutely critical. They offer profuse clusters of purple, pink, or white flowers on a strong, upright, bushy form. Looking towards winter, you'll find the evergreen, mounding foliage of lavender beautifully maintains ground level greenery. Architectural definition persists as the dried stalks of Prosmia Lucifer provide striking vertical lines. The true beauty of perennials lies in their return year after year, and with a bit of thoughtful planning, you can enjoy a garden that is as vibrant, dynamic, and consistently changing through the seasons. Experiment. Have fun, and don't be afraid to try these new combinations. What are your favorite perennial combinations that give you that long-lasting bloom period and continuous interest? Share them in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video, explore our channel's existing content for more gardening tips and top 10 videos, and subscribe to help us grow.